Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my name is Melody Adriano Cabilin. I am 34 years old, married, and living in Bulacan. I have 3 children, ages 12, 9, and 2. I am high school graduate.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
In case I will work in Hong Kong, my husband and my mother-in-law will going to take care of my children.
It says to your bio data that you are ex-abroad. Please tell us your duties and responsibilities there.
I work in Saudi Arabia. I clean house, washing clothes, cooking, and going to the chocolate shop to sell some chocolates.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better life.
Any message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Please hire me as I will going to do my very best to finish my contract and work for your family. Thank you and God bless.